Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream powder in a mixer. We'll guide you through crafting a versatile dry mix that transforms into delicious whipped cream with just a few simple steps. This homemade powder offers convenience and freshness, allowing you to enjoy fluffy cream whenever you desire. Using your mixer, we will combine key ingredients. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this fantastic mix. You'll need about 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of dry milk powder, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. For a lovely aroma and taste, include 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. These simple components will form the base of your convenient homemade whipped cream powder. Now let's get cooking. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat for about 1 minute. Once warm, add your chopped onion, minced garlic, and green chili. Sauté these aromatics for approximately 2 minutes until they become fragrant and the onion softens. Next, add the fresh moringa leaves, a pinch of turmeric powder, and salt to your liking. Stir well and cook for about 5 minutes until the leaves are tender. Finally, let's turn your homemade powder into delightful whipped cream. For every 1/2 cup of your dry mix, add 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream to your mixer bowl. Using the whisk attachment, whip on medium-high speed for 3 to 5 minutes. Continue until beautiful, soft peaks appear, creating a light and airy topping for any dessert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.